The disheartening defeat at Lord's will be a bitter pill to swallow for India. It was a test which India dominated for the majority of the sessions and should have gone 2-1 up in the series. But India lost the match by 22 runs and their fate was sealed at the end of the first session on the final day when they lost 4 wickets for 54 runs. Despite a great fight back from Ravindra Jadeja with number 10 and Jack, India still lost the test match. Rank bad shots, poor judgment and inability of the batters to handle pressure against an English side which played the mental game better on the field were some of the reasons for the defeat. Indians lacked the ruthlessness and weren't mentally tough when England sledged them to distraction. Captain Stokes's all-round brilliance and captaincy stood out in the contest of thin margins. Stokes scored 77 runs, took 5 wickets, effected a run-out and led the side with a lot of imagination. The run-out of Pant in the first innings was crucial in the contest of the game. He conjured a wicket out of nowhere to dismiss Nitish Reddy and break the threatening stand with Jadeja. In the second innings he took the important wicket of Rahul and broke the stubborn 9th wicket by bouncing out Bumrah. Stokes led by instinct and his boundless energy rubbed onto his teammates. In comparison, Indian captain Shubman Gill allowed pressure to get the better of him. He failed as a batter when his team wanted him and showed signs of weariness in the test. Indians have a long break before the 4th test match in Old Trafford, but they should sort out a few things. The key issue which the Indians will face is finding an ideal number 3. Karun Nair, who won a promotion in the Lord's Test, hasn't done justice to his test recall. Karun in his 6 innings in the series has failed to score a single 50 and his mode of dismissal in the second innings at Lord's left a lot to be desired. Karun is still coming to the grips of the rigors of Test cricket after scoring heavily in the domestic season. Karun Nair's inability to convert his starts has been his undoing and he has let the team down. The inexperienced Sai Sudarshan, who batted at number 3 in the first set, is likely to be the replacement if India drops Karun. Jaiswal's poor shot in the second innings opened the doors for England in the third test. Jaiswal is finding the pace of Archer discomforting and will want to win the personal battle with the Englishman. Nitish Reddy will keep his place for the wickets he took in the second test. Nitish in England with the bat has looked like a parody of Nitish in Australia. India needs the Australian version of Nitish Reddy, the confident and brash batter. Bumrah should play the 4th test and India need to cover up all their weaknesses to win the 4th test.